This is Scott Shellenberger. That's Democratic Party's weakest link. He really a rhino. He a Democratic with a Republican agenda, mass incarceration. A Democrat with mass incarceration. All right? I'm an artist. I'm an activist. That's me when I was in jail, and that's me and I'm free. I always had God in my life. That's President Trump, and that's my political soapbox. And that's what made me famous in Baltimore, that toilet. That toilet represents how you treat the black community. You treat us like shit. Artists against apartheid. This is proof I was making a movie about your judicial system, and it's notarized. And President Trump got all of this, all right? We're going under my First Amendment of the Constitution. I'm gonna use that white privilege. The Justice Department upholds the Westboro Baptist freedom of speech, and that's what I'm gonna use, my freedom of speech. President Trump, I'm the 2018 freedom fighter, all right? Freedom fighter from Hassan Giordano and Be More News. That's my Malcolm X award. I gave you Malcolm X, I gave you Thurgood Marshall, I gave you Martin Luther King. And what you're gonna do is give me my freedom. Like I said, exoneration of the Supreme Court. That's a whistleblower, the movie. And that names the public officials. And that's the Judiciary Committee. President Trump got this. This 2014 Brown Omen, all right? And I gave you a can of whoop ass. That's when GOP Carter was Delegate Carter. Leaders of a beautiful struggle. See that? Dwayne G. Davis versus Jake Davis. But this right here is the one. The people of the state of Illinois versus Dwayne Davis. It's a 1988 case. That's about the war on drugs, N62528. That's about the war on drugs, and that's a precedent-setting case. So Mayor Scott, shorty, pull your mask up? No, we're going to unmask Baltimore. We talking about the politics behind mass incarceration. Democrats and Republicans is eating us. I filed criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger.